Kumusta? Kumusta? Hello, hello, hello. Kumusta kayo dyan? Saan bang lugar kayo? Wala bang ulan sa inyo? O, kumusta mga channel niyo dyan? Ang mga channel niyo, kumusta? Ah, ano nang balita kay Cindy? Sino bang sumusubaybay kay Cindy? Cindy. Hello, Prince John. Hello, Prince Johan Binaflor. Yeah. Oh, how's America? Are you a neighbor of Cindy? Cindy. Neighbor ka ni Cindy? Hello. Kumusta dyan sa Amerika? Prince Johan. Ano nang balita dyan? Kumusta, Prince Johan? Yes, how's the America right now? Kumusta si Cindy dyan? Cindy, you know Cindy? Her husband is David. Kumusta na sila? Kumusta? How? The rain here is powerful. Are you a Filipino? Are you a Filipino, Johan? A prince? Ganda, you have a nice name. You have a nice name. Are you a Filipino? Are you a Filipino? Prince Johan? Are you a Filipino? Hi, where is how to? I cannot. Are you a Filipino? Prince Johan. Are you a Filipino? My mom is a Filipino, but my dad is an American. Wow, that's good. How old are you? How old are you? Yes. Yes. Yes, you're 34. What's TB? That's my you are 34. Have you been here in Bisaya? You know Bisaya? You know how to speak Bisaya? You know. You know how to speak Bisayan?